We have this depth of knowledge, this wealth of knowledge.
It's a fast-paced industry.
We have to be universal with our skill set to allow us to achieve success.
Using technical knowledge to design things that make people's lives easier or better, more efficient.
Each project most likely is going to be a new challenge, right? A different issue that you have to find a solution for.
Everything we're building is the first of its kind.
We're always working on the newest, latest and greatest.
Some of the best automation comes out of this region. We're world renowned now.
And some of our customers are, some of the highest end customers in the world.
We can get it done the right way the first time.
We start with basically a blank page. We go from the concepts that we get to basically turn it into a functional piece of equipment.
We start from the solution. What is the solution that's required? And then we come up with whatever is necessary.
We do all the offline programming, robots, PLCs, vision systems, and integrate them and commission the lines.
You get your blueprint, you get your skid of steel, take your time with the drawing, and they can go from fingers like this, you're working like this, and fine tuning, and then there's stuff that you're like mauling and getting the big sledgehammers.
We do a variety of parts from one-offs to high quantities, and we deliver the piece parts and make the end product.
We're actually one of the groups that tie all the pieces together. So we take the pieces from the machine shop, we take the fabricated components, and we kind of build the engineer's vision in the end.
Building backplates, wiring backplates, doing enclosure knockouts, doing field wiring, mounting devices.
Project management here at Eclipse is you're the gatekeeper for the project, while being the face of Eclipse to the customer and the leader of the internal team.
The highlight of any job is when it goes on the truck.
Hand over the keys to the customer.
Seeing it come to life, bringing a machine to life.
Seeing that final product come out, it's so satisfying at the end because it isn't easy.
I love the things that we do and put out the door, and when they get to see it in a line, when the tool guys do what they do, they make our parts work and we make their parts work.
See the smile the customer has on their face when they've got this awesome machine.
And obviously ending with a happy customer. That's the most rewarding part of our job.
And when it all comes together and you come out with a successful machine that runs really well, I don't think there's a better feeling.